Welcome to your Diamond Chamfered box. Look at that. Beauty, isn't he? Look how he stands up. He stands up on that back little segment. So you can put little things in there, you know, little gifts, earrings, necklaces, maybe a couple of bottles of Nouveau, because you've got that little aperture in the front there, and these are so easy to put together. So your main die is one big die set, okay, and everything else is decoration within your packet. You can't go wrong with this. So this little diamond shape automatically gets cut out of there. Now use this as your template. So I've got my piece of acetate here, and if you use that as a template, you're going to be able to get that perfect acetate to fit inside. So just literally cut it around your template about, I don't know, half a centimetre bigger all the way around. So you now know that your acetate is the right size. So with Tonic's acetate, there is a carrier sheet on there, and you just have to take that carrier sheet away, because otherwise it's cloudy, okay? And when you take that sheet away, it's going to have no fingerprints on it whatsoever, okay? So I've taken my red liner tape already and put the red liner tape on all those little glue tabs. I've turned it over, and I've also put the red liner tape on the back of that little aperture. So let's take away, come on sweetie, there we go, take away all those little bits of tape like so, and we're then going to place this diamond into there. So now we've got the little window. So all you're going to do now is you're going to go through and you're going to reinforce all your little glue tabs all the way around, just making sure that the creases are nice and tight, because then that's going to give you a really good finish. Just carry on all the way around there. Now this is a side opening box as well, okay, which is really nice because it allows you to slide things in rather than put them in. So let's just fold those. So take off your tape one at a time, and you cannot go wrong, because each time you fold one, it automatically tells you where the next one wants to go. So just follow it all the way around there, taking all these sides away, and you can see how easy this is starting to come together. We've already got the majority of the box stuck there, look, just one more at that side. And then this segment here, we can either stick that one in, or we can leave that one open and slide that one in. You decide, okay? Because you can have it both ways. There's no right and there's no wrong way of doing this. So let's place that all the way around there. Get rid of all those little bits of tape. Slide that one in there. That one into there. And then that, let's just slide that back underneath there, is a lock that just goes back over itself and gives you your chamfered box, but you decide which way you want this to open. So this one, oh, it's being sat in the car. Let's just, come on Mr. Box. No, it doesn't want to come open, it's being sat in the car for too long in the sun. But that's got a side opening, okay? But look how easy they are, and I have to say they look beautiful. There's something really different, a nice presentation box rather than just a box that you put stuff in. You've got that presentation aspect.